Jaden, you may start.
Stop snoring. Grandpa is snoring really loudly. Billy and Blake will wake him up. They shake Grandpa's shoulder. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They squeeze Grandpa's nose. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They tickle Grandpa's feet. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They play Grandpa's instruments. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They spin Grandpa's chair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They dance to Grandpa's music. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They style Grandpa's hair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Billy and Blake are tired. They sleep on the Grandpa's floor. Grandpa wakes up. Who is snoring so loudly? He asks. Thank you.